In life, storms may come our way, and sometimes they leave us feeling broken, betrayed, and alone. If you're a divorced Christian, you know the pain of a shattered dream, the sting of betrayal. But we're here to tell you, your story doesn't end with the echoes of a closing chapter. Divorce is not the end, it's a new beginning. And as a Christian, you have a resilience within you, a strength that goes beyond the trials of today. Dear friend, we understand the tears you've shed, the questions that linger in your heart. But we're here to remind you of a powerful truth, the God of second chances, the God who turns broken pieces into beautiful masterpieces. You are not alone in this journey. There's a community of survivors, warriors who have walked the same path and emerged stronger. It's time to lift your eyes from the ashes of yesterday and embrace the dawn of a new tomorrow. To the betrayed, the weary, the ones tempted to throw in the towel, don't. You are more than your past. Your worth is not determined by the scars on your heart, but by the boundless love your Creator has for you. In the midst of the storm, find refuge in prayer. The Bible tells us, the Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. Psalm 34:18. Let His words be a balm to your wounded soul. Today is not the end of your story. It's a turning point. Embrace the healing journey, for there is life after betrayal, joy after pain, and love after loss. Dear friend, don't give up on the beautiful life waiting for you. You are loved, you are valued, and your story is far from over. Together, let's rise from the ashes and discover the strength that lies within. Your second chance begins now. Connect with us if you need help moving forward. Discover recovery and self-love. Your story matters.